My name is Anant Adya, and I am the Senior Vice President and Business Head for Cloud at Infosys. Data center takeout is one of a very large or a big initiatives in the minds of our customers these days. They have grown through mergers and they have a lot of legacy apps, legacy infrastructure, and heterogeneous infrastructure that they have accumulated in the landscape. This actually adds to a lot of complexity when it comes to not just maintaining these equipments or refreshing these equipments, but also the total cost of ownership in terms of managing these infrastructure and applications. So, what customers are doing essentially is to look at initiatives to get out of data centers. What it essentially does is it helps customers in three or four ways. One is they save almost 30 to 40% of their operations cost because they don't have to worry about having resources on prem, looking at incidents and problems and changes and those kind of things. It also helps in other ways where customers who have to scale up and down with respect to their infrastructure or rolling out new products or rolling out new applications. You get the power of cloud and you get the scalability in the cloud, agility in the cloud. Google Cloud is something that promises the power of security, reliability, and uptime. And that is another added advantage of why customers should look at data center takeout. Why it is important for organizations to embark on cloud first and cloud native is when you actually are in a cloud agnostic model, you are playing a catch up game. And if you're cloud native and cloud first, you can actually be much more productive and much more efficient in terms of how fast you can launch new products, how fast you can expand with new markets, how fast you can onboard new customers. The second big advantage that we have seen, and this is slightly tactical in nature, is we have seen that enterprises have been able to roll out new features 3 to 5x more than what they could have done on prem. Last but not the least, the improvement in developer productivity, right? We have seen almost 30 to 40% improvement in developer productivity because they are using cloud native components, they are using cloud PaaS components as we call. So I would say if you want to be faster to launch new products, if you want to respond to market faster, if you want to be more agile and you want to be rolling out new features as your customers keep demanding more, I think cloud native and cloud first is the right strategy. And that's what I think everybody should be doing.